Welcome to Virtual Board. In this video, we are going to learn how we can run Angular project in Visual Studio Code. So let's start the video. See, to run any project, any Angular project in Visual Studio Code, you first of all you need to complete three prerequisites. First is you need to download Node.js and npm in your system. You can download Node.js from this website. I'll paste this link in the description also. Simply copy and paste, go to this website, and you can download this long-term support version. Okay, this is the recommended version. Download it from here. You need to download or you need to install Angular CLI, and you can easily do through this command. This command is also available in the description box. So just copy this command, open your command prompt, and you can simply run it from anywhere, because this command is npm install -g. So here G install for global, so it is installing this Angular CLI globally, so you can access from anywhere or any folder, it will work. So I've already done that, so you can simply download the Angular CLI like this, install Angular CLI through your system, and then you need to have a code editor, that is Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text or Atom, or any code editor will work. Okay, so these are the prerequisites. So once it gets installed, we will move to the next step. Installed through this process. Now we are good to go for the next process. So for the next process, wherever in our system we want to create an Angular app, let's say I want to create an Angular app on the D folder. Inside this D folder, I have a folder called Angular project, and inside this folder I want to create my Angular projects, all the projects. So what I'll do, the simplest way is to click here, type cmd and press enter. Your command prompt with this project location will automatically open. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to run a command called ng new, and then type the name of the project, or type the name of the name of your project. So here the name of project is Virtual Board, and then press enter. Then you will see that it will automatically create a folder in this Angular project folder by the name of Virtual Board. So it is asking, would you like to add Angular routing? Say Angular is a framework, so it provides different types of functionalities like route.js, and then you can select the style sheet format. So for this video I'm selecting CSS, and it will see it has created a folder by the name of Virtual Board, and now it will just create the node modules. Node modules are necessary for your Angular project, which it is generating node modules. And if we open this folder, see the files will automatically get generated. It will take some time. See, our folder is ready, our project is created, and now we can very easily open our project in a Visual Studio Code, and we can just start creating our project. So to open this folder in Visual Studio Code, we have two methods. First one is, we need to redirect to this folder. So what we have to do, first of all, we need to redirect to this folder. So the name of folder is Virtual Board. So I'll move inside this folder, and then what I have to type, I have to simply So if we enter code slash the location of this folder, so we can directly open it in the Visual Studio Code. And now what we need to do, and the second way of opening it is we can just open the Visual Studio Code. We can just open the Visual Studio Code, and then from here we can go to open folder and select our folder manually. So it was in the D drive, Angular projects. The name of our folder is virtual board. So we can also open our folder or project by this method. Now here our index files, all the files are here. And now if you want to run this project from VS Code, we just simply need to go to terminal, select new terminal. See, the terminal option is here. Okay, let me maximize this window. Terminal option is here. And now what we need to do, we need to type a command called npm start, and we'll press enter. So this will start compiling our project, and this will run this on a local server. Okay, see, whenever we type npm start, it automatically runs the ngserve command. So you can also use ngserve command. Basically it is written everywhere in the documentation that we have to run ngserve command, but npm start command is advised when you are running your Angular application for the first time. Whenever you enter npm start, it will automatically run the ngserve. See, ng start will automatically run ngserve command. Okay, now this command will start compiling our whole program, and it will run our application or our project in the local host at any port number. So let us wait for it to compile. See, it has compiled successfully, and uh, our project is running on this port number 4200. So if we follow this link, or we can directly copy and paste it. See, our Angular application is up and running. Virtual board app is running. So we can also make any changes, and it will update it automatically. For example, if we go inside the src, see, basically it is running app.root, and this can be found inside app.component.html. So everything that you are seeing on this page is coming from this code. So if we remove this code and then we control S, we save our project, and then if we refresh our page, it will get refreshed automatically. See, everything is gone. And if I simply now write here h1 tag, and I write some text that subscribe to virtual board for more videos on Angular. And now if I save this and open my browser, see, you can see it here. This was the way how you can run Angular project in Visual Studio Code. If you like the video, subscribe to channel, like the video, and comment the topics on which you want videos on Angular. Thank you for watching the video.
और मेरी वीडियो को आप लोग सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं आजकल। सपोर्ट, लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। ओके, टाटा, बाय बाय।